everybody and welcome to my shop. This week we're gonna jump right in. I want to build a machine that teaches my dog to avoid rattlesnakes. As you know, I'm in the countryside, I'm in the desert with my shop. We have a bunch of rattlesnakes here. And if you are new to the whole rattlesnake topic, please watch last week's video. But now, let's do it. Okay, oh, itchy. Let's see if it rattles. So we need a way to make this so this keeps on rattling. We want the sound. What's it called? The vibration alarm from the phone is essentially a motor with an offset weight. And when the motor spins really high, it starts to vibrate because the weight is distributed off-center. Maybe if we attach that, we could have this consistent rattle. Moment of truth. Let's hope this works. Yes! The higher up it goes, the harder it rattles. Huh? That's the best position. That's the rattle. We got it. I am absolutely thrilled with this. I think it looks so cool. I am so happy with the aesthetic and the functionality. This is exactly what I want to do. This is what I want to make. Little weird sculptures. I could not be happier right now. All right, let's test it. The idea is to attract Smoodo's attention with the rattle. And when he gets too close, I trigger the doorbell. That way, hopefully, he startles and learns not to go to the rattle. Put it right here. Also, I will leave the mic, so let's hope this works. Smoothie! The timing is not ideal because he's actually hunting right now. I feel like he had a little bit of a startling moment. Right now he's too distracted. I will try this, and I think this is actually a process that will take a couple weeks or multiple tries. I'll keep you guys posted, but I do think it is a really fun little machine. Did this machine solve the rattlesnake problem right away? No, it didn't, but dogs need repetition. I think if I'm careful not to overuse this, if I don't get him too comfortable with the rattlesnake or the doorbell sound, this might have potential to teach him to avoid the rattle sound. I think I cannot overdo it. I think right now he's too distracted to learn, so I will do it over the next couple weeks. But aside from the learning effect for my dog, I am so happy with this. A couple weeks ago I made a video about this, how I want to take this channel into a new direction and that I want to build more sculptures and, you know, have more fun with my stuff. And this is exactly that. That's exactly what I want to do. This week was a full success for me, even though I don't know if the machine will be super effective. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye. I'm going through a lot of changes right now. Changing country, having a newborn at home, changing shop and my format a little bit. And I try not to overwhelm myself and take an approach that is a little bit at a time every day rather than loading too much on myself at the same time. And I call this the brilliant approach, because this is exactly how brilliant.org operates. They believe it is more effective to do a little bit at a time in small increments rather than learning stuff by just memorizing and overloading your brain with all the information at the same time. Brilliant is where you learn by doing, with thousands of interactive lessons in math, data analysis, programming, and AI. Brilliant helps you build your critical thinking skills through problem solving, not memorizing, so while you're building real knowledge on specific topics, you also become a better thinker. To try everything that Brilliant has to offer for free for a full 30 days, visit brilliant.org/Laura Kampf, or click in the link in the description, or click this right here and you'll also get 20% off the annual premium subscription. I want to thank you guys for watching, and oh wait, let's do a lesson. They have a new case study, and that is called Unlocking Rental Value on Airbnb. And this, of course, is super interesting because of Haus Lieselotte, the house that I'm still renovating in Germany. So let's start this lesson. Okay, cool. So they have an example in San Francisco, and you just learn how to calculate and analyze the infos. How much revenue did this property make on this date? I'd say 0 because it wasn't occupied. Correct! I'll continue this lesson next time, but I'm already loving this. Again, if you want to try Brilliant, go to brilliant.org/Kampf or click the link in the description. This is great. And now it's time. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I want to thank Brilliant for the ongoing support of my channel. It means a lot and it matters a lot. So thank you so much. I'll see you next week with a new video.